Alberta government is looking to change what happens after a car crash. They're calling it the Automobile Insurance Act, and it has a focus on what's called a Care First model. What does that mean? Well, if Bill 47 passes, it will improve access to medical and health benefits for people hurt in a crash, no matter who's at fault. They're still working out logistics, but here's what we know so far. The bill will establish what private insurers need to cover for injuries from a collision, things like healthcare services, equipment, medications, and treatment. And if you can't work or go to school, an income replacement benefit fund will be included in the legislation. Finance Minister Nate Horner says the changes are an effort to lower the province's car insurance rates. Alberta has the second highest rates behind Ontario. Horner says an increase in collision-related lawsuits is driving up the cost of insurance.
You're basically taking 20% of the cost out of the system, and that's going to be, given back to the system through increased benefits and access to health care and savings.
Horner says lawsuits went up 48% between 2018 and 2022. So the legislation would restrict the ability to sue the at-fault driver for injuries after the accident, with some exceptions for serious offenses. It's concerning for people in the industry.
We're deeply concerned that Bill 47, as it's introduced today, moves Albertans more closer to a no-fault auto insurance system. And it's not something that we were in favor of.
Other changes include what the province is calling the Alberta Automobile Care First Tribunal, which would allow you to dispute care and treatment decisions made by your insurance company. You can also sue for out-of-pocket expenses that exceed the amount provided under your insurance policy. If the bill passes, the insurance changes would take effect at the beginning of 2027. Emily Fitzpatrick, CBC News, Edmonton.